Burda. Burda means from the Latin language tosco, rough, grosero, rude, sin, delicadeza, lacking tact. Tela burda, a crude material. Mentira burda, a crude lie. Burda is the name of a German fashion magazine. Thanks to its simple instructions on how to use and cut sewing patterns, anyone can take an insignificant piece of cloth and recreate coherent and durable three-dimensional structures, like a dress, a shirt or a pair of pants. The charm of this plan lies in the possibility of it becoming a field of interpretation and knowledge. Enrique Morales gave his students an exercise called How to Lay Out a Croissant. The result is a plan that captures part of the final shape of the croissant. No one can use these measurements to build a croissant. It lacks information. The real shape is lost among the cross-sections and the structure disappears in the drawings. This is the same plan that would be used to measure a train car or a building. But this is how a baker builds a croissant in a kitchen architecture. Perhaps, with this simple cutout pattern and some instructions we could build a croissant. But always something else. The shape of the pattern has little or nothing to do with the shape of the final object. It has to do with the construction process. The patterns and their instructions not only tell us of the production methods, accompanied by measurements and materials, they can tell us of the complete nature of the object. A pattern is the 3D reality of an object, flattened out onto a sheet of paper. Its effect is similar to that of the analytical cubism in the photograph by Hockney. A refuge. A flattened refuge. This is the pattern of the hand of a giant designed by sculptor Max Stryker. Its shape is a wrapping around a hand made out of masking tape, and flattened by cutting it with scissors. The cuts to the hand of the giant by Stryker follow the lines of the hand, achieving changes with natural shapes, like the lines of the hands drawn by Eduardo Chillida. There can be many different patterns to achieve the same effect. The important thing is that the instructions must be correct. If they are not, we may only attain a deformed reality. And what we want is to attain a new informed reality. What would the pattern of another hand be like? Like that of a cheap blow-up doll, essentially made from the same materials as the hand by Stryker, plastic and air. The shape of this plan would necessarily look similar to the one developed by Art Farm for an instantaneous refuge. Rough, practical and effective, like the blow-up doll. This example helps us understand that the two-dimensional plan of a sewing pattern exhaustively tells the story of the nature of the final object it models. It is a construction tools. What does it construct? But to wear clothes is to wrap up, warm, to envelop, hide, support, create imaginations. For Michael Webb it is also to bring together and to isolate. It may be to dress a fantastic animal. Christian proposed dressing a bird, an ostrich or a hummingbird, something in movement. A griffin, half lion and half eagle and 8 times bigger than its natural size, could be no so clear. Or, create a bio-object like those of Tadeusz Kantor, where object and actor deform into one in a single routine. Like the traveler always carry its baggage forever. Or, so-called inhabitants of the wardrobe, a hidden space. We could also dress a homeless person, someone involved in his own ephemeral routine.